Well, hello guys, and welcome with a brand new. No, actually, it's not new at all. It's the string class that we all already know well, that we used before to create a variable or object of type string that can receive any type of text inside it. Actually, string class includes lots of amazing functions that are used in making lots of programs, solving lots of problems, and so on. And these functions will be used if only we create a sample that we can work on in order to see the results of each of them. Here we created a variable or object that is called the name, and we will put a value inside it that is called Mustafa, for example. And then let's say system.out.println. Println should be written like this. And instead of writing string.blah blah, we just have to write the name of the object itself, and then dot, and then the function that we want to try. And the first one is empty, and we should end with semicolon, two parentheses here, and then run. It gives me false. That's why isEmpty is a function that doesn't receive any parameters and returns something of type boolean, true or false. If the string I'm working on is empty, it will return true. If it's not, as we can see right here, it will return false. If we remove this and run it again, it will give me true. The second class with us is called length, and this class also doesn't receive any type of inputs and returns the number of characters that are included inside the class. If we run it, it returns 7. If we have many spaces inside the string, it will return also the number of these spaces as types of characters that is inside the string itself. The last one with us is called startWith, and this function receives a string and returns something of type boolean, true or false. And in order to understand it, we just need to type starts with, and inside the parentheses we enter m capital. If we run this, it will give me true. It checks if the string I'm working on begins with such a thing or not. If it begins, it will give me true. If it doesn't, it will give me false. It also can be more than one letter. It can be the first part of the string itself, like must. If I run it again, it will give me true. If I type the whole string, I run it again, it will be true. If I write anything and run again, it will give me false. That's it for the first three functions of a string class. We are going to understand all of them if you just focus with the explanation and give it a suitable time of practicing. If you got a benefit, just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.